If you want to know how to create thumbnails with AI so you can finally stop hiring expensive designers, you are in the right place. Very few people realize just how much AI has revolutionized the game over the last few months. I've been using a tool called Pikzels to handle all my designs, and the results have been insane. I'm talking about professional, high-CTR thumbnails created in minutes, not hours, and for a fraction of the cost of a freelancer. Before we build the design, head over to Pikzels using the first link in the description. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, so using it supports this channel at no extra cost to you. I'd recommend grabbing a plan now so you can use the persona and recreate tools I'm about to show you, because those are the actual game changers. Now, before we hit generate, we need to do one crucial thing so the AI knows exactly who the star of the thumbnail is. We're going to create your persona. Head over to the Personas tab and click Create. You'll want to upload about 10 high-quality pictures of yourself. Pro tip, don't just use the same selfie. Give the AI variety, different angles and expressions like shocked, happy, or pointing. This takes a moment to train, but you only have to do it once. Once this is set up, you can teleport yourself into any viral layout instantly. Now that your persona is ready, let's remove the guesswork. We're going to find a thumbnail that is already proven to be viral. Let's go to Mr. Beast's channel, grab a URL from a video with 100 million views, and paste it into the Recreate tab on Pikzels. Select the persona we just created and hit Generate. While it's processing, look at what's actually happening. The AI isn't just looking at the image, it's breaking down the underlying psychology. It identifies the high contrast focal point, the Z pattern layout, and the exact saturation levels that top-tier teams spend thousands of dollars testing. In about 10 seconds, you've inherited $1 million design framework featuring your face for free. Now, here is the real moment of truth. Hit the compare button right here. Look at the difference. On one side, you have the original viral masterpiece, and on the other, you have your brand new version with your persona perfectly integrated. It matches the depth and the lighting of the original, but it's 100% unique to you. This removes all the creative anxiety of wondering if your thumbnail is good. You know it works because it's built on a foundation of success. Once the design is ready, there's one last sanity check, the Pikzels score. This is an AI-powered audit that looks at your thumbnail across 5 pillars: virality, clarity, idea, curiosity, and emotion. If your score is in the yellow, don't worry. You don't have to be a designer to fix it. Just hit this one-click fix button. Watch as the AI automatically adjusts the contrast and sharpens the focal points. Once you hit that green zone, you are mathematically optimized for the click. And that is how you make viral thumbnails without a design degree. If you're ready to stop guessing and start winning, click that first link in the description to get started with Pikzels. You need a video that keeps people watching, so check out my next video on how to edit viral videos right here to finish the job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.